Hi guys, welcome to Team Influx and this is Arpan Ganguly. Today I am going to talk about a very interesting company which everyone knows, and that is Boat. So Boat is basically a India based company which was incorporated in November 2013. Though we know the company by the name Boat itself, but it also has a legal name which is Imagine Marketing Services Private Limited. So basically, this company is an online brand that offers multi-category consumer electronic products. Both markets earphones, headphones, stereos, hair trimmers, power banks, travel chargers, smartwatches, cables, and whatnot. This company was founded by Aman Gupta and Samir Mehta, and in 2022 they got a tag or reached the mark of being one of the largest wearable electronic brands in India. So now I am going to talk about the early stage objectives of this company. The first objective was grab the maximum market share, which means they targeted the maximum market share in India. The second objective was low price but better quality. They made better quality products but within a small or short or very low price range. And their third objective was customer satisfaction. They also had their targeted audiences before they got into the business. They thought that they will target the students, the music maniacs, and the gym enthusiasts. But they had many problems. So the first problem was big trusted brands like Bose and Sennheiser. The second problem was high range of price in wireless headphones. And the third was after sale services to their customers. They also had opportunities. It's not like that they only had problems throughout their journey. They also had opportunities, like they delivered stylish audio products and accessories in the market so that it attracts the students, their target audience, the music maniacs, and also the gym enthusiasts. The second opportunity was inspire a mass audience in the fields of music. And third, better quality in a very low budget, which was not targeted by any other company. They adopted their strategy, and which is they focused on endorsements with sporty people and new artists who were coming into the market in Bollywood. They can be singers, they used to be cricketers, they used to be film artists, and everyone else like that. They brought the artist in the front line while maintaining the price of their wide range products very low. The results that they got from this is they became the most well-known audio device brand in India. They grabbed 35.8 whooping 35.8% of the market share by 2021, and also became well known for their after sale services and stylish accessories. This was all for today. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video.